second and fourth one. No, you do the third and fourth one. Let's go to my team. Let's get it. Just a high flyer pack. No, you do second and third. I'll do first and fourth. Oof. Bang, 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 bang. Bang! Oh, let's go! 102, Dominique Wilkins. No screenshot. We don't need it. It's on video. Let's update our team. How is it still 96?
You need a better point guard. You need a lot of
Okay, Sam, open waffles.
Now you get.
No, I'm doing one in the blue room. The last one.
Key waffles.
I think She Waffles has the magic pack. We have 2 magic packs.
Key waffles. Come on, be alive, mobile. Load! Load!
You want to cut these parts out?
No.
Alright.
Let's go to my team. My team. My team.
Okay, that's the magic pack.
Chris.
No, do the magic. Fine. What the? Open later. That's a glitch. The trending. Don't do the trending days. I think it's just a token. Magic team pack.
I got this 100 Blake on this one.
Yes, we already know.
Hey!
He got it off rip. He also got a platinum, bro. That's good.
Hey,
bro.
my luck is good.
Our luck has been great for
now
all the packs. You know what to do. Open the right and to the left. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh, this is a 3.
JR. Lewis.
My luck
bro,
is insane
I also got Dominique. Bro, this is crazy.
My luck is insane today.
Bro, this pack opening is crazy. That's it right here.
Yeah.
My team.
Update the team.
98. It has to be 98.
It's 98.
Nate Robinson. She Waffles. Arm, you gotta be happy, bro.
Yeah, you gotta be happy.
You gotta be happy. Crash. Oh my gosh. What is this pack luck? Bro, Sam, you got pack luck today.
Yeah, I got lots of pack luck. I got the Blake Griffin, that 97. What's his name?
Richard Lewis.
We just have and the 103.
Oh, I know why it's open later, because we already opened later by, you know.
No, that's because I only pressed open later so we can open the magic thing first.
Okay.
Bang. Okay.
Oh, not that
who
good.
should we get though?
Just get someone. Just get JR. We haven't got John. You can choose.
Just Sister John.
Okay.
I
don't think that.
I hope I picked the right one. Please.
You did not. But who cares? 97 also.
97.
Crazy pack. Oh my gosh. Dominique, then Nate Robinson.
And that 97,
Yeah, Rashad Lewis from the 20% chance.
and the 100.
It's a 20% chance, Sam.
I got the 100 Blake Griffin out of it too.
Yeah. Let me open this.
Let's just open the magic pack, then.
I think. Forgot to tell that there's login rewards. Hey! The pack luck keeps coming. 98 overall Ishmael.
Yeah.
Oh.
You know the trick. Bang. Nice.
And
Why do we always get J.R. Smith?
well, thank you guys for watching. This with a beast pack opening.
Crazy back up and in.
And we're out.
Oh, that was actually a good choice.